In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a dynamic and motivating 2025 goals planner using Notion. This planner will not only help you track your goals throughout the year, but also make it easier to visualize and manage your progress efficiently. So, let's dive right in and unlock the potential of Notion for your goal-setting journey. First things first, you'll need to open Notion by navigating to www.notion.so and logging into your account. Once you're inside, head over to the left sidebar and click on Plus New Page. Let's name this page 2025 Goals Planner. For this our size, we'll be starting from scratch, so simply choose an empty page. Now that we've set up a blank canvas, it's time to give it some structure. Begin by adding a title and an introductory section that sets the tone for your planner. Type My 2025 Goals as your main heading, and underneath it include a brief introduction like, "This page will help me track and achieve my yearly goals." This will not only remind you of your purpose, but also create an inspiring starting point every time you visit the page. Next, we'll need a robust system to manage your goals, so let's create a goal tracker using a database table. Type /table and select Table Size Inline from the options. Once your table is in place, let's organize it by renaming the columns to make it purposeful. Your first column should be Goal, where you'll list your specific objectives, such as Start YouTube Channel. Next, label the second column as Category, giving structure to your goals. For instance, categories like Career, Health, or Personal Growth. Then set up a start date and a target date to keep timelines clear, as well as a progress column that you can populate with numbers from 0 to 100 to track how far along you are. Finally, a status column allows you to select from predefined options like Not Started, In Progress, or Completed. With your tracker ready, it's time to populate it with your goals for 2025. Hit Plus New under the table and start filling in your ambitions. For example, if one of your goals is to read 12 books, categorize it under Personal Growth, set your start date to January 1st, 2025, and have the target date as December 31st, 25. Start tracking your journey by inputting a progress percentage, like 10, and mark your current status. To gain more visual clarity, consider adding a board view. Click on the View Name drop-down, select Plus Add a View and choose Board. Name it Goal Stages and group your goals by status, which allows you to drag them from Not Started to In Progress to Done, visually capturing your milestones. For timeline management, a calendar view can be incredibly useful. Add another view, choose Calendar, and name it Goal Timeline, setting the target date as your date property. This feature visualizes deadlines, offering quick insights into when each goal should be completed. To keep motivation high, you can make this page aesthetically pleasing. Use callouts by typing "I'll call out" and incorporate motivational icons and quotes like "Stay consistent, one step at a time." Finally, regular reviews are crucial for maintaining momentum. Make it a habit to open your goal tracker page weekly or monthly and update your progress. By staying engaged with your planner, you'll be setting yourself up for a successful year in 2025.